U.S. Border Patrol arresting 32 religious leaders and activists near the fence separating San Diego and Tijuana. Officials can be seen closing in on the group as it moved forward towards the border on Monday. Protesters can then be seen being taken down and led away in handcuffs as they enter a restricted area in front of the fence.
Well, that was the idea, that we would meet at the wall and have a moment of prayer. But unfortunately, the authorities of the U.S. were not in agreement with that. And so that's why they waited, they talked, they sang, they prayed, and then they began to move forward and they began to arrest people a little bit at a time.
Leaders of churches, mosques, synagogues, and indigenous communities were among the 400 singing and praying for the demonstration organized by a Quaker organization called the American Friends Service Committee. They're calling for a week of action, advocating for migrants' rights to seek refuge in the U.S. Protest leaders also said they were demonstrating against President Donald Trump's portrayal of the migrants as a security threat to further restrict migrants' ability to seek asylum. The protest on the American side comes after U.S. border guards last month launched tear gas at migrants who approached the fence. Many Central American families say they left their home countries trying to escape violence and economic hardship and hoping for a better chance at life in the U.S. But now they're living in crowded shelters as they wait to claim asylum, a process that could take weeks or even months.